Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you want to see if Snapchat is down or if it's not working for everyone. Now, the process to do this is pretty easy. First of all, there's not just one way to do this, but the way I've done this time and time again is to literally go on Twitter. So I will literally open up my Twitter application like this. I would have already been logged in. I don't know why Twitter didn't open that time. And I would just see if Twitter or Snapchat is trending on Twitter. So what does that look like? You essentially go to the trending bar on Twitter and you want to see if Twitter is trending Snapchat. Now you can click on Snapchat, that trending thing, and see if everyone's complaining if Snapchat is down. And that is almost without a doubt every single time Snapchat is down. That is the number one way I've determined this. Again, it's not a guarantee, but that is pretty much the main way that I've seen, to kind of fix Snapchat if for some reason Snapchat is down in that specific case. Now, let's say Snapchat down is not trending or Snapchat isn't trending, but you still think other people are experiencing this issue too. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go into the comment section of videos like this. So whether it's my video or someone else's video, and you want to sort those comments by the latest comments, and you want to see if a lot of people are commenting at that same time saying, hey, Snapchat is down, Snapchat's not working, this or that. Believe it or not, that is pretty much another main way you can go ahead and do it. And that is exactly what I do. So if I, for some reason, go on Twitter and Snapchat is not trending on Twitter, I will almost always go to a video like the one you're watching now. And I might even go to this video if it gets, quite a bit of views, meaning a lot of people watch it. That means a lot of people have been watching it when there's a Snapchat issue, when Snapchat is down. And I will go to this video so you can favorite it. I've favored a couple of these videos of my own, which is so funny. And I will literally sort those comments by the latest one. And if a ton of people are commenting at the same time saying Snapchat is down, then that means Snapchat is down, whether it's trending on Twitter or not. That is pretty much the main way I've been able to do it. And those are the two main ways that I've been able to see if Snapchat is down. Now, if Snapchat, isn't down, then it's not going to trend on Twitter. Other people are not going to talk about it. And these comments on YouTube are probably not going to be filled with these comments either. So you're kind of missing out on both of them. If, for some reason it's not trending here or it's not trending on Twitter, it might not be down and you might want to watch another video that I made discussing how to fix this issue. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.